We've had no sleep. We've travelled over 8 hours through the night to get here, but it's gonna be worth it. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at one of the best theme parks in Europe. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we didn't get lucky last year, guys. We didn't actually come here, unfortunately. We couldn't make it, could we? So it was really annoying. So that just makes the day even more exciting. The last time we did come, we were all really ill, and it turns out we actually all had COVID. So yeah, we were spreading that at the theme park. That wasn't good, was it? But we didn't know at the time. But as the same with the last time we came, we were so ill. And it was really busy. We waited.
Really hot.
It was really hot too. We waited like 3 hours for taron. It was the biggest cattle pen we've ever seen. It was really bad, wasn't it?
As well.
So fingers crossed it's not too busy today. We haven't been here for a very long time, and we are so excited. Let's go, guys. This is Phantasialand. This theme park has so many different entrances. Today we're going for the sort of Asian area. Oh, taron opens at 10. That's a weird one. Last time we ran to F.L.Y and it opened late, didn't we?
Yeah.
So Black Mamba's open with a 5-minute queue. See where we end up. Do you want to do the little ghost train? 5-minute queue. Yeah. Jacob nearly died on that thing, didn't you? That thing is lethal, guys. It might look like your little train ride, little standard train ride, but
well,
it's bad, isn't it? Heading into Africa now, guys, because apparently Black Mamba's open. 5-minute queue had to be done. Didn't think I'd be starting my day with a ride on Black Mamba. If you haven't heard of it, guys, it's a B&M inverted coaster. It's probably the third best one. We haven't done Cartoon at Mirabilandia yet. So the ride operator actually had to measure me there. He thought I might be a bit too tall for the ride. Scared me for a second. Absolutely love this theme park. So it was nice to get back on Black Mamba, wasn't it?
Yeah.
As I say though, we do still rate it number 3. We both think Nemesis Reborn is number 1, and we think Osiris at Park Asterix is number 2. Black Mamba has very good theming though, doesn't it? And it's got an awesome dispatch when you leave the station.
Nemesis Reborn has a good one now as well.
It does, they've done a good job with it. We still need to try Cartoon at Mirabilandia though, as I say. Sorry guys, I am awful at vlogging Phantasialand because I just get too excited and want to go on all the rides. Anyway, next up we've got F.L.Y. If you haven't heard of it, it's a Vekoma prototype flying launch coaster. It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it is an absolute treat. The immersion of Phantasialand's area, guys. Check this out. Oh, we haven't been here for a while. Oh no, are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the world's longest queue line?
Yeah.
Oh no, here we go. Oh, this queue takes forever, guys. Worth it though. Absolutely incredible roller coaster. What do you think of F.L.Y, guys?
That was good, that was.
That was brilliant, yeah.
We've only actually done it about 3 times because one day we came, it was down, and it's always got quite a big queue, so I always forget how good it is. Oh, it's so good, isn't it?
It wasn't too bad.
Oh, absolutely love this theme park, guys. It's awesome.
It says 30 minutes now.
Just look at this area. Oh, our favourite roller coaster in the park, and Sky's favourite roller coaster in total. Yep. Taron, guys, Europe's fastest multi-launch coaster. Looks like they got a few little touch-ups they're doing around the park here. Here we got Chapas, guys. It's the world's steepest log flume and probably our second favourite water ride. Doesn't quite beat Valhalla though. Jacob's got the Valhalla jumper on there. It's going to be a crime wearing that on Chapas. Okay, so if the queue allows us and it isn't too bad, we're going to go on the Colorado adventure. Make sure you hold on this time. We don't want a flying Jacob. We're having a good day at the moment.
I want to put my hands up though.
It's okay, no one nearly died that time. It was good, wasn't it?
It's intense that.
Yeah, really intense.
It's definitely one of the better mine trains out there.
The best one.
Yeah, it probably is the best. You just got to make sure you hold on, guys, because it's quite dangerous. Oh, we're now heading into Klukheim, I think it's called, to wait for Taron to open. Oh, look at this masterpiece. Sky's favourite roller coaster. Worth noting, guys, you can get yourself a big 2-litre German beer over here. Oh, now this is a good roller coaster. Is it nice? Oh, it's so good, isn't it? It is so good. Oh, Taron really is just such a beast, guys. It's so good. That second launch is amazing. So we waited like 2 hours for River Quest before. I just want to check the queue. These are probably the best rapids we've been on so far. We get to try Popeyes in Orlando at the end of the year, but for now it's definitely these ones. So let's go have a look. Okay, so the water rides don't have queues, which means we can save them for a bit later, can't we? It's a very cold day in Germany at the moment. It's actually colder than it is in England at the moment, isn't it? Which is really strange. It's usually boiling at Phantasialand, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we got a 5-minute queue for the Mystery Castle. This is a drop tower indoors, guys, with electric effects. You got Einstein inside. We only did it once, didn't we? Give it another chance. Apparently there's a few different cycles. Oh, fingers crossed, guys. The park is actually quite empty today. We're doing well. It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wie meine Messgeräte zeigen, habt ihr alle viel Mut. Den werdet ihr auch brauchen, denn das, was euch nun erwartet, geht über all eure...
So, the Mystery Castle was just walk-on, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was cool. It's a bit better than I remember, but I still think it's got quite a short cycle, isn't it?
It's good though.
It is, yeah, it's still very good, as I say. We've picked a fantastic day. Fly's only 25 minutes again, and the longest queue in the park is Taron at 40 minutes, so
yeah.
What a day to come. Oh, we needed it after the last time we came. This is a very bad idea.
5-minute queue.
5-minute queue. Jacob doesn't want to do it, do you? River Quest, guys, the best rapids we've been on so far. Last time we were here, this whole area was full. Here we go in the elevator, guys. I feel sorry for Jacob and his impending doom. Hold on tight, guys, this thing's dangerous. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh, so... Oh, I nearly fell out. Telling you guys to hold on. Oh, Jacob. I got the whirlpool now. Who's going to get it this time? Oh, it's Sky. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh my god! Oh no 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 no! It's me! Ah! Oh oh! Look at these drops on a rapids, guys. You get nothing like this in the UK. Oh my god! Here we go! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. As you can see there, guys, Jacob and Sky got the brunt of that. I actually got lucky.
Not fair.
Jacob's a bit miserable. So we got to go on Chiapas de Huasaban, otherwise known as Rave in a Cave. Boogie! Here it comes. The steepest drop on a log flume anywhere in the world. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my God. Oh, the regret. Oh, the regret is real. Oh, the regret is real. Get in. Oh, taron just gets better throughout the day, doesn't it? Anyway, guys, it's time for talacon. I'm sure you've all seen it online. It's a very famous one. Worth mentioning, guys, there's a lot of shows here at Phantasialand. We've never actually done them because we're always so focused on the roller coasters. But if you're here for a couple of days, definitely give them a try. Talacon, guys, that top spinner is an absolute beast, isn't it, Jacob?
Intense.
It's really intense. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Jacob doesn't like it on a hot day, I know that much.
Yeah, there's no fire though.
Yeah, the fire's not there, unfortunately, guys. I'm not sure when that's going to get fixed, but it's a big part of it, isn't it? Yeah. Because there's
maybe
loads of it.
Day, though.
Oh my God, guys, we have got one of the best theme parks in Europe all to ourselves. F.L.Y is walk on. I've never seen it. It's amazing. So you got mozzarella chocolate over here, guys. It's a shooting dart ride that smells like chocolate. I also want to point out you got guest services over here. It is a little bit out of the way, so just show you where that is really quickly if you need to know. This is where you'll be buying your fast tracks if you don't get a completely dead day like we've got today. We got lucky, haven't we? But we usually get one each. It's about 20 euros, I believe. You get fast track to Taron, Chiapas, and it's always pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And much unlike Merlin, the fast track, you buy it, you instantly get on the ride. You don't have to wait in a giant queue, do you?
Yeah,
so
it doesn't really slow the normal queue down either.
yeah, it's really worth it. And it's also worth noting there's no disabled access here at Phantasialand at all. Not great if you've got a wheelchair, but kind of good for queue times.
Yeah.
Heading into another area of the park that we only actually discovered last time, didn't we? We've been here a couple of times before and we never even knew it was here. So we got an indoor spinning coaster, much like Dragon Fury or Spinball Whizzer in the UK. This is Winger's Fear and Force. I can't remember seeing this before. So many re-rides. We've been on Taron like 4 times. Might as well give Rake a go whilst we're here. 10-minute queue. It's a little family Vekoma boomerang. If you're lanky, guys, I wouldn't recommend going on Rake. That squashes you a bit, doesn't it? So just going to mention, guys, there's a Vekoma Madhouse over here. We're not going to go on it today because we've done so many of them, and the pre-show is fighting ninjas. It takes ages, doesn't it? Yeah. And then it is quite a good one. It is quite a good one. And to the left here, guys, you've got like a little ghost train. It's pretty good. I don't know. 5 minutes. You've never been down here before. Oh, this is something new. How did we end up doing this? That's well scary if Black Mamba flies past. Oh dear. Oh, you've so got to go. Oh, come on, you got to go that way. You can't cheat.
You go that way and I'll go this way.
I swear to God, if I fall in. Oh, 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 why did I do it? Okay, this was a very stupid idea. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm actually lost now. There's red tape here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here. Am I not supposed to be here? Oh my God, Jacob. Are you actually having a laugh? How long is this thing? That's more scary than the trail. Jacob, you look terrified.
No, I'm not.
There's a little fun house here, guys. We've never done it before until now. It's actually quite good, and it ends with a really steep slide there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really good. Because it's so dead and we're not rushing with queues, we get to look around at hidden gems. It's really good, isn't it? We've just got some, I don't know what these are. Like €8 for 3 of these. It's not bad. They look fancy. Oh my God, it's amazing. Jacob, you've got to try it. Oh, they were good. And they were pretty cheap considering, weren't they? So that brings our vlog to a close. What do you think, guys?
Oh, that was good.
That was the far best day we've had at Phantasialand.
That was the best day that I've had at a theme park for a long time. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We really haven't had much luck with theme parks recently, and Phantasialand was just one. Last time we came, as I say, it was so busy. We were ill. It was horrible, wasn't it?
Oh, it was great this time.
We're absolutely knackered. We had no sleep, but it was definitely worth doing. We're on our way to Europa Park for Voltron's opening day. It's going to be good, isn't it?
Oh, it's going to be jam-packed.
And something new we're doing is Rolantica this time as well.
Yeah, we get the chance to experience Rolantica for the first time. I've wanted to do it for a while, but Sky and Jacob they can't swim, so they're a bit iffy with it. But we're finally going to go, aren't we? We've seen there's a lot of short, shallow water. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really does help us out, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.